At the time we might have single monitor but more than two laptops. So we might confuse that if we have more than two labs we might have purchased another monitor for second laptop. But we have one option. Suppose if monitor is supporting more than one inputs like HDMI and VGA plus there is a DSP and DSP option, then uh, simultaneously we can use single monitor for both from both laptops. For example, for my first laptop I have HDMI connection, and for my second laptop I have VGA connection. So this monitor having two inputs, one is VGA input as well as HDMI. So at present both has been connected this monitor. So with this option I can simultaneously one after one I can use single monitor for my both laptops, not at a time, one after another. Suppose let's imagine I wanted to use my first laptop this monitor. So to do that we have option, we no need to remove the cable, we just press Windows P, so we will get the project options. Here I can press extend. Then since this has a HDMI connection, then I can use this for this first laptop I can use monitor now. So let's imagine I need to use for my second laptop with same monitor again. So to do that, first we need to disconnect my first laptop from the monitor. So to do that, just click the PC only. Now it has been disconnected, I mean virtually disconnected. Still we have the cable, but it has been disconnected, so it's only using PC only, project only. Now we need to come to my second laptop and I need to press extend. Then my laptop get projected to second. Now I am using my single monitor for my second laptop. This way we can shift from first laptop to second laptop whenever we required without removing the cable. Suppose if we have the single cable, first we need to remove this cable from here and put that cable again here and extend that. So if we have two cables and our monitor also supports, then we can use both laptops simultaneously. I hope you might already aware of that, but this option is pretty cool and please utilize it. Thank you.